Adamawa State, the rule of law, justice, and inclusion for all have been identified as key pillars for building lasting peace in Nigeria. Clerics, community leaders, and peace advocates gathered at the 2025 Peace Conference organized by the state government in collaboration with the Justice Development and Peace Initiative. Jesse Daniel reports.
At a time when Nigeria continues to grapple with multiple security challenges, stakeholders in Adamawa State are turning to community dialogue as a powerful tool for mitigating conflict and strengthening social cohesion. Under the theme Building Bridges and Healing Divide, participants ranging from religious leaders to grassroots actors examine the root cause of communal tension.
The thing I want you to understand is that conflict is a process. It's a process because it has to do with series of activity. It doesn't just come.
Clerics at the forum stressed that peace cannot thrive where citizens feel excluded or denied justice, insisting that dialogue remains the most effective approach for resolving conflict before they escalate.
And I tried to mention the history of Mohammed Yusuf. If his case was better handled than it is, maybe Boko Haram would not have become as violent as they became. They would not have weaponized. And it's not different from the way IPOB was treated in the East. Government has a way of mismanaging this conversation, and I think it is poor management of conflict. Now we're dealing with the aftermath.
Peace projects, they are not things one party can achieve, whether government or non-governmental organizations. You need everybody to be on board. But for you to achieve peace, and lasting one at that, is justice, rule of law, doing the right thing, guided by conscience that are well informed.
Development partners, including Justice Development and Peace Initiative, said the conference aims at empowering communities with practical strategies for early warnings, mediation, and peaceful coexistence, particularly in rural areas. They acknowledge significant support from the German government in strengthening the peace-building structure across the state.
And that if we can build the resilience of women, create more jobs in the community, once people are engaged and have something doing, of course, they will not have time to go and constitute nuisance or conflict within those communities.
For the Adamawa State government, the initiative reinforces its commitment to promoting inclusive governance and ensuring that communities remain active drivers for peace and sustainable development. JC Daniel, TVC News, Yola.